Hello, my dear learners. Thank you so much on behalf of the Words.Oxford YouTube channel. And you are most welcome as you are with me. And today, I will discuss correct pronunciation of some daily words phonetically. Phonetically, not phonetically, but we mispronounce phonetically. It's not right at all. I think that's wrong. And you see here, from Oxford Dictionary English to English. From Oxford Dictionary English to English. Some phonetical symbols have been taken from Oxford Dictionary English to English. And if you read, if you go through some dictionary like Oxford Dictionary English to English, Longman English to English, Cambridge Dictionary English to English, until you will find out some symbols. Some symbols here you see some symbols here, and according to these symbols, if we pronounce, actually the words are totally different from us. And we daily use the words here, but we mispronounce the words here because we never go through any dictionary named Oxford English Dictionary and Longman Dictionary, and you see here Cambridge Dictionary. So I would like to show you some words here and correct pronunciation of the words. You see here vocabulary. We mispronounce here. We mispronounce the word vocabulary. Actually, it is not vocabulary at all. You see here the symbols VOCABULARY. Actually, we pronounce in this way according to spelling syllable VOCABULARY, vocabulary. Actually, it is not right at all. I think that it is vocabulary. Vocabulary. You see here the symbols from Oxford Dictionary English to English. You see the symbols here, stress. This is a. This is a E, a, re. I mean that vocabulary. Vocabulary. You see here the stress. So we have to stop here. We have to stop the sound here. We have to emphasize words. We have to emphasize where. You see the stress here. Vocabulary. Vocabulary. But we tell vocabulary. Vocabulary like this. Is it right? It's correct. It's a right pronunciation. So I would like to show you the correct pronunciation here according to Oxford Dictionary English to English or Cambridge. Next you see here student. STUDENT, student. Student. Is it a student? All of us, most of us tell student. Student. Is it a student?